In this video, we are going to be climbing the sketchiest desert tower in America, Ancient Art. Ancient Art's Stolen Chimney is not a sport climb. There are places on each pitch where if you fall, you will likely die, or at the very least, you will be badly hurt. For this reason, any climber attempting this route should assume that their most trusted piece of protection is their ability to not fall. Whoa, it's just like crumbling on me. Climbing is dangerous. It's even more dangerous in the Fisher Towers. Do not approach this route with a sense that it is easy. Well, that's the good preface for this climb we're about to do. Yikes. So here we are in the Fisher Towers of Utah. They're these beautiful towers that look like sand dribble castles, those kind of things that you make at the beach. So our plan today is to try and climb one of the most iconic climbs here. It's this totally improbable looking climb that looks like it could topple over at any given moment and honestly gives me the heebie-jeebies. And with such a scary climb that like really makes me feel that like guttural fear of climbing, I thought it'd be super interesting to partner with Coros. So Coros makes this little thing right here, which is the Vertix. This is an athletic like activity measuring watch. Usually you wear it like this. Usually you don't want to wear a watch while climbing. So Coros makes this carabiner clip that you basically clip the Vertix onto like this. Then you can clip this to your harness. And what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be using a heart rate monitor that is attached to my arm. Most of this video, I'll put my heart rate information like in the bottom corner of the screen. So while I'm climbing, you guys will basically have this data point of how hard my body is working, but also like how hard my mind is working and how scared I am. All right, so according to my heart rate, I'm kind of already at like 126, which is already like kind of elevated, even though I'm just standing. So I think that goes to show I'm a little bit nervous. But I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing, you know? I think it just means my body's like getting ready. Whew, gotta shake off the heebie-jeebies. I'm nervous and I can feel it. All right. Okay. Okay, here begins, I suppose, the real climbing, huh? Okay, how do we do this? Oh, whoa, almost slipped there. That feels sketchy. I think most people just pull on the bolt here, but I'm trying to get around it without doing that. Oh, that was cool. Feels like so crazy to like trust these like conglomerate rocks. Oh. Nice. Whew. That was sick. Okay, I'm off. All right, that was a little tricky climbing there actually. That was really cool and like technical, I gotta say. This is stuff that I've never really done, this like conglomerate pebbles. You're like pinching a pebble in the rock, you know? It's so cool, actually. Nice.
Oh.
Good work.
Thanks.
That looked good. Cool. All right. Starting pitch 2. The sandy chimney is, I think, what this one is going to be. It already is looking pretty sandy. Just have some fun, huh? Okay. Yikes. Whoa, it's just like crumbling on me. Living up to its reputation, you know? Oh my God, this is so sandy. I gotta say, this climbing is fun so far. Chimney, stemming. It's definitely some of my favorite style of climbing. Okay, so this block has an X on it. Yikes. Some of this stuff feels pretty gnarly, to be honest. This part's a little scary. I do still consider myself like quite a scared climber. I think I've been able to figure out strategies to climb while I'm scared. I don't conquer the fear, I just have been able to, basically keep going despite being scared. And anyways, I think this is part of a larger sort of project of mine of really understanding my relationship with fear and anxiety, and climbing is a fantastic testing ground of that. Woo. Off the light! What up? Having fun. Oh, this is epic. All right, up here at the top of the second pitch, it is already so beautiful. Look at this area, huh? Let's check the chorus. It's around 11:42. We've been going for about an hour and a half, hour, 18 minutes. Hey, nice. All right, ready to get a move on? Whew. Oh, here comes a little bit of wind. I was hoping to have no wind. Oh yeah, starting to get a little scary. Whew. Oh yeah. Epic. Nice little pitch up here. Woo! Oh yeah. Well, this is it. Good time to, make sure my knot's all good. Try to tighten it up. Just kidding. You're on belay? Yep.
Oh.
Nice.
So spooky feeling.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, you have to walk that. Shut the heck up.
That's the idea.
Oh my god.
Okay, folks, well, here we are at the sidewalk of ancient art. It's looking so amazing behind me, huh?
Yeah.
I'm pretty nervous and my heart rate has been showing it. I've been consistently at like 120, 130. I've rarely dipped below 110, I think it's just the exposure up here. Even though the climbing is not super hard yet, I think just being up here is like, your body stays on, Yeah, there's not much else to do, but for me to walk the sidewalk, walk the plank, and see if I can top out on this thing. This is gonna be one of the craziest climbing experiences I've ever had, but I'm ready, and I'm scared. All right. Oh yeah, heart rate's at 121 on the Koros. 123, we're going up. 124, getting nervous. All right, ready?
I got you.
Just, feed me a decent amount of slack for this first bit. Oh man. Oh. All right, this part's sketchy, huh? Gotta like just get up, mantle it or something. That's so spooky. Oh man. Ah, this is scary. What's the Koros at? 139. Okay, just watch me. Oh, that's not that good of a hold, you know? Okay. Whoa. Oh man, I'm scared. Okay. That is a mank bolt right there. Oh, this part's kind of spooky. Oh. Oh, the alpine knee. Oh. All right, how solid is this tower feeling today, huh? Woo-hoo-hoo, here we go. Oh my God, that thing is so wiggly. Wow. Okay. Whew. Ah!
So epic.
Wow. Oh my God. Whew. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't want to like turn too much. It's 160, I'm nervous. I'm scared. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna go down. A little parkour, huh? Looks like my heart rate's down below 100. 97, 96, 95, wow. So it's like almost like I was so nervous leading up to that climb, and now that I've kind of done it, I'm a little more chill. That's kind of interesting to see. 94. Look at me, cool as a cucumber.
So after the activity, all of the data from the Vertex is transferred automatically to the Koros app, which has a really nice interface for organizing and reviewing all of your activities. For me, the main takeaway from this little experiment is that fear has a real and noticeable physical impact on my body. This was not the hardest rock climbing for me by any means, but my heart rate was certainly elevated throughout this entire experience, averaging 130 beats per minute and peaking at 181. Comparatively, when I'm doing physically harder climbing, but in a more comfortable setting like a bouldering gym, my heart rate rarely goes above 140 beats per minute. Climbing is such a unique sport in that the mind plays such a huge role in our physical performance. And like most other climbers, I am on this never-ending journey of learning to manage my very real fear. Overall, I have been really pleased using the Vertix 2S and the Coros app to track my climbs, runs, hikes, and even sleep over the past month. And a few things stand out to me about the Coros Vertix 2S that I'll list here. This is the first smartwatch that I've used that feel like it was designed for me to use as a climber. The Vertix also has incredibly accurate vertical GPS tracking. In fact, Coros is the only smartwatch on the market to have intentionally optimized their GPS algorithms for climbing. And the battery life on the Vertix 2S is outrageously long, with 118 hours of activity tracking battery life. It's pretty impressive. Anyways, if you guys are interested in checking out Coros, maybe getting one of their watches for tracking your climbing and other activities, then be sure to go down to the description of this video where I've put a link.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, folks. Remember to hit that subscribe button and the like button if you enjoyed this one. Really helps. See you in the next video. All right.